Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. The AVAX chart continues to move a little higher. We observed it already yesterday in the video that the price moved into resistance. I consider this still a potential wave 4 at the moment. And the wave 4 would be, however, in an ending diagonal. But that's exactly why I added the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement level to that resistance area already. And we just need to see how high it goes. I mean, at the moment, it's a three-wave rally. It's a three-wave rally so far. You see that actually quite clearly here. It's not impulsive, okay? I know a lot of you are asking me, when can we say a low is in? See, as long as it's a three-wave rally, we can't confirm a low in place. So even if it grows a little larger and turns into this B wave in the white count, basically into a larger ABC structure or something, it takes 5 waves up to confirm a low is in. Unfortunately, 5 up, 3 down. That's the game. That's the routine that you all know. There are few things to mention. First of all, I think what we could do is to redraw this trend line to see if the market will react if it breaks above the standard resistance zone for the wave 4, if the market will react to the trend line. And then, if we break above that level and still have only 3 waves, it's likely an extended B wave that we've got in this white alternative wave count. I would then need to take, I would then need to pay attention to this resistance area, which is for the B wave. It's between $37.03 and $44.08. So basically, above 33.33. I would start to, I don't want to say rule out it's a 4th wave, because, as long as it's a 3-wave move, it could technically still be a 4th wave, even though it would be quite an aggressive 4th wave. I would normally rule it out, but if it's a 3-wave move in a diagonal, it could technically still be a 4th wave. It just means that, we need to see 5 waves either way, whatever. If I call it a wave 4 or a B wave, it doesn't really matter so much. What really matters is the structure, and as long as it's a 3-wave move, another low has to be considered still. So that's unfortunately the situation. Basically what it tells us that we should pay attention to 33.33. This is not only the golden ratio level, it's also previous swing high. What could happen from here is that something like an inverse head and shoulders is forming. So let's see if that materializes, and then this would turn into a resistance level neckline and a break above it. I mean, it might send it higher into the B wave resistance area, yeah? But the bottom line is, that would simply be seen as a larger correction from what I can see right now. The reason is that the move down here did not reach the main support area that we would like to see it reach in this larger pullback, which started on the 24th of December. So obviously, or 25th, 24th. So we had this more substantial top in place. Since then, we've been moving down, obviously in a downtrend, local downtrend. Zoomed out, there's nothing exciting about this move at the moment. It simply looks like a corrective rally in an overall downtrend. So even this one here was only a 3-wave move. And this one looks like one at the moment, yeah? The move down just looks unfinished. And we haven't even reached that support area. So minimally, I'd like to see the 25.57 level reached. Better even $20.78. So I think the resistance levels are clear. If we add a microstructure to the current advance, the current move up, then all I can really do is to label it an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And yeah, it might stretch a bit higher. I mean, the resistance area, it's not like, a hard ceiling that the price couldn't break. It can. It's all about a sustained break that needs to be avoided, because if it's got a sustained break, then likely something different is going on. Not necessarily something more bullish, because as long as we only have a corrective rally, even if it's a large one, which happens in every major correction, it will likely come down again. So yeah, let's see. It just looks unfinished at the moment. It's only 3 waves down, really. So one more low, either in yellow, likely, or if we get a more substantial correction, then this C wave will extend the entire correction. That's all I can say at the moment about AVAX, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.